The Master and Dynamic True Wireless Earphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Master and Dynamic MW07 True Wireless Earphones. These are premium earphones that come in at the higher end price range. So, is it worth it, and how is the quality? In this video, I will do an unboxing, go over the specs, and give my final thoughts on them. The company sent this out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The earphones come in a nice packaging, and they are built with premium materials, and it has a lightweight design. It comes in 7 finishes: white marble acetate, which we will look at, piano black, pink coral, gray terrazzo, tortoise shell, steel blue, and matte black. Once you open the box, you will see the beautiful packaging. You have the earphones and case, a canvas carrying pouch, the user guide, for charging, it uses a USB-C cable, and included is also a USB to USB-C adapter. For proper fit, they provide an assortment of ear tips and fit wings. The charging case is made of stainless steel and has a premium and elegant look. It does attract a bit of fingerprints, but it can be easily wiped off. On the front, you have the LEDs for battery charge status. And on the back, you have the USB-C port for charging. Opening the lid, you can easily access the earphones. It has the company branding etched on the front of the case. And each side has the left and right marking inside the case. And now just to go over some brief specs. It has about 3.5 hours of listening time, 3 additional charges with the case, and you get a total of 14 hours. Bluetooth 4.2 with 20+ meter range. It has buttons for controls. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the earphones and 40 minutes for the case. The earphones are powered by 10mm beryllium drivers, and it has an IPX4 rating, so it provides a bit of water protection, but not to be submerged. Closing the lid, you can see the LED status lights. As mentioned earlier, this is the white marble acetate. You can see the company branding on the side, and the finish is smooth, and it feels like premium materials. It uses a combination of metal and plastic in various parts. On the right earphone, you have a multi-function button for playback and voice controls. It has the interchangeable fit wings and ear tips, and the LED light for status. The left side, you have the volume controls, fit wings, ear tips, and the LED status light. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.8 by 1 inch. The earphones come in at about 0.9 by 0.7 by 0.5 of an inch. Weight-wise, the case is 80 grams. And the earphones come in at 20 grams. So here are my final thoughts, and this can be subjective. For comfort, I give it a 4.5. The multiple ear tips allows for good sizing, and you can wear them for long periods of time. The fit wings are an added plus to the design as they provide additional support. Quality, I give it a 5. It just has premium materials all around and it feels solid. For sound, I give it a 5 in my book. The lows were very impressive. It had nice, deep bass. Mids and highs were clear and balanced throughout, and I didn't experience any distortion. The sounds it produced felt like I was wearing over-the-ear headphones. It was very immersive, and overall it was just a phenomenal sounding experience. And now for the negatives. Call quality was subpar. There was a bit of echo and it sounded muffled. The case does attract a lot of fingerprints, and it can be prone to scratching. And there is no app. I would have preferred some type of app for adjustments and options. And lastly, the price. You will have to pay a premium to enjoy these. These earphones are not for everyone. I think they are perfect for the audiophiles. Those that really listen to a lot of music and want the quality and sound experience. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.